natay given nga 300 pounds. So pounds rate. Pounds. Ganito rin. So first na to all is ang moment. Positive because it is counterclockwise pag ito kanan. And summation of FA equals 0. So NB times 3 minus 300 times 1.5 is equal to 0. Ang 3 na kuha na to is direct, and then ang 300 sa G, 1.5 sa taas. So, ang result sa NB is 150 pounds. Pound na to. Ay, wala tayo. Pound na siya kaya ang feet times, ma-crush out ng feet. So, next is ang summation of Fy. Positive siya because pasaka equals 0. Ay minus 300 equals 0. Ato i-transpose para ma-positive siya. So, mawala na ang negative. So, ang answer niya is positive 300 ang Ay. Next is ang Fx. Since padulong siya sa right, positive, summation of Fx is equals to 0. 150 minus Ax is equals to 0. Ato na sa i-transpose, ibalhin mo na 150 positive siya na Ax is equals to 150 pound.
Ang ganang food, yun siya napag-crush out. Like, ganong 150 pound na lang dyan instead of pound food.
So, nawala niya ang foot na rin because dire 3 feet and 1.5 feet. Kung ibutan na mo sa dala, o dire, makancel out na siya ang feet mo na kanabilis ang 300 gani. Yeah. 300 pounds.
So, determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at A and the tension developed in cable BC used to support the steel frame. So, this free diagram is we have two supports, so C and A, and we have 60 kN and 30 EN. So, at the counterclockwise positive MA is equal to T times 3 over 5 times 3 plus T 4 over 5 times 1 minus 60 times 1 minus 30. So equal to 0. So we have to calculate this. Our T or tension is equal to 34.64 kN. So let's proceed to the summation of Fx. So summation of Fx, we have Ax minus 34.62 times 3 over 5. Since the in cos law, we have opposite over hypotenuse. So we have 3 over 5. And here, adjacent over hypotenuse. So Ax is equal to 20.8 kN. And summation of Fy is equal to 0. Ay minus 60 minus 34.62, 45 because opposite over hypotenuse is equal to 0. So now, our Ay is equal to 87.7 kN.
So, kanang mga 3 over 5, 4 over 5, asa na nakuha? O kanang mga yang gawin ito?
Okay, so if the complete graph, asa na nakuha 3 over 5 or 4 over 5. So we have the Sova-Coa law. So if this is sine and cosine, so if here is x-axis or the cos, so we have adjusted over hypotenuse, and the side we have so is equal to opposite over hypotenuse.
Good day everyone. I am Lutik Cadorna and now we need to solve for equilibrium of moment of equilibrium. Now, we need to read the problem. Determine the moment along A point and the vertical and horizontal axis along X and Y. So, we need to analyze our problem. A fixed point along A across a 5-meter bar with a force of 2 kilonewtons along the point and point. So, meaning it is a fixed. Point. It is a fixed point, which means it has 3 reactions: AX, AY, and moment. So, we need to solve for moment. Moment of MA is equals to 0. Negative MA because it has a counterclockwise movement, which we need to find the positive of moment is equals to counterclockwise, which is clockwise. Okay. Moment is equals to 0 with a counterclockwise positive. MA, which is negative because it has a counterclockwise flow, plus 2 times 5 is equals to 0 because force times distance is equals to 0. Now we need to solve for MA. MA is equals to 10 kilonewton meter because we need to calculate all the given. Now we get our moment. Now we need to solve for summation of forces along x-axis, which is equals to 0. So AX here will be equal to 0 because there are no forces along the horizontal axis. Now we need to solve for summation of forces along y-axis, which is equals to 0. AY, which is given to us here, will minus given to us here minus 2, which is downward direction of our force, equals to 0. So calculate this basic algebra, which is equals to AY equals to 2 kilonewtons. It has a simple problem set, but you can do it.